Hello, welcome to today's class. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to buy Cardano, that is ADA, and store it on your Ledger Nano X. If today is the first time we're meeting, hi, I'm Umoren, your money coach. Follow me on all social media platforms for more educational content on crypto investing, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you very much. So let's jump straight into today's tutorial: how to buy Cardano and transfer it or store it on your Ledger Nano X. If you don't have the Ledger Nano X, I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you to access the correct website to get your own Ledger device. It's very important to get your Ledger wallet directly from the manufacturer. So let's jump straight into today's class. Step 1, you're going to log into your preferred crypto exchange. For those of us that are in Canada, I prefer using NDAX, especially if you intend buying crypto worth 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, anything more than 1,000. I usually recommend using NDAX. If you don't have an NDAX account, I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can open your NDAX account. Okay, so log into NDAX. So this is where you're going to enter your two-factor authentication. So step 2, you're going to fund your account. If you don't know how to fund your account, I already did an extensive video on how to fund your index account. I'm going to leave the link to the video up here. Okay, so step 3, we're going to buy Cardano. So for you to buy Cardano, you can either do this on your phone or on desktop. Again, I'm doing this on desktop. So you can just come here, search for ADA, that's ADA. So we're going to be using Canadian dollars to buy Cardano. So just click on the pair. So I'm just going to buy $100 worth of ADA. So that's about 172 ADA. So I'm just going to click on buy. So buy is this green one here. So click on that. It's very easy. So it says, are you sure you want to open this? Meaning that, are you sure you want to buy this? You can see the fee. This is the amount of ADA. This is the amount that we're going to receive. So click on confirm buying. You can see order successful, order request submitted. So if you go back to your dashboard once you bought this, then click on wallets. You can see here that we have some ADA already. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do, step 4, is to log into Ledger Live. If you don't know what Ledger Live is, I already did a video on how to set up your Ledger Nano X and how to set up Ledger Live. I'm going to leave the link up here. Okay, so you can watch that later. So we're going to log into Ledger Live. So go ahead and log into Ledger Live. So step 6, this is where we're going to transfer ADA from NDAX to our Ledger. So what you're going to do is you're going to plug in your Ledger device. You're going to plug it to your computer, or if it's on your phone, you can just open the Ledger Live on your phone. It's the same process. So the next thing that you're going to do, make sure that you already have Cardano installed on your Ledger. If you don't have Cardano installed yet, what you can do is come on the account, click on add, then you're going to search for Cardano. Then you just click on it. Because I already installed it, so it's not giving me the option to reinstall this again. So that's just a way for you to add Cardano on your Ledger. It's very easy. Again, just click on add, search for Cardano, click on install, and that's it. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is, once you've plugged in your Ledger device, then you're going to unlock it. So enter your PIN code. Enter your PIN code on your Ledger hardware wallet. So once you've entered your PIN code on your Ledger, the next thing you're going to do is to open the Cardano app. Okay, go ahead and open the Cardano app. Once you open it, your Ledger device should say Cardano is ready. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to click on receive, because again you want to receive from Cardano from NDAX. So click on receive. You're going to select the coin that you want to receive. Again, we want to receive ADA, that's Cardano. So it says please only send ADA or native tokens to Cardano accounts. So we're sending ADA, so click on continue. So this is just loading up. You can see my own address here. It's telling me on my Ledger device that I need to verify the accuracy of this address. So what you're going to do, you're going to look at the strings of number ADDR blah 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 all the way here to make sure that it's the same thing on your Ledger. So what you're going to do, click on the right button, double click on your Ledger, double click it. It says sending path. It shows a bunch of numbers. Double click it again, double click it again. So now it's showing me the address. So what I usually do, I just look at the first few, maybe 6 or 7 characters that starts the address ADDR1. I look at what is on my Ledger 2. It's the same thing. I scroll again to the right. I look at the last 5 characters. Is the same thing. So what you can now do is either you copy this, or instead of doing that, you can just do the show QR code. If you're doing this on your phone, it's also very easy. You just scan the QR code, but because I'm doing this on desktop, I've already copied the address. So once I see that it's the same thing, I just double click. I click on the right and the left button at the same time on my Ledger hardware wallet, and now it says confirm address. So since it's correct, I'm just going to double click again. So it says done. I'm now going to go back on NDAX. Then I click on Cardano. I click on send. I click on Cardano because again we are sending to an external wallet. I'm going to paste the address that I just copied from my Ledger. Paste it here. Okay. Now I want to send everything, but if this is the first time you're sending or you're not super sure, you want to be really sure, I would say maybe you send a few, but this is just $100. Okay, so again there is a fee. So I just click on I hereby confirm this, then I click on send ADA. So again I need to enter my authentication code. Now I still need to verify the withdrawal from my email. So now I'm just going to confirm the withdrawal from my email. So I got an email from NDAX. So I'm just going to click confirm withdrawal. Click on continue. So right on my phone it says withdrawal confirmation success. So I'm just going to close out of this. So if we come back to the dashboard and go to your wallet, you can see that the Cardano is no longer in my NDAX wallet. So I'm just going to go to Ledger Live to check if it has gotten there. I'm going to enter my password again. So this is where you're going to confirm that the Ether is now in your Ledger wallet. So if you click on portfolio and just scroll down a little bit, under latest operations, you should see the same transaction. If you click on this toggle here, it should show you the balance, the ADA balance that you just sent from NDAX. Okay, we've come to the end of today's class. If you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comment section below and click on the like button. It motivates me to create more crypto content and tutorials for you. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And until then, I'm Blooming Umoren, and I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye.